Hello everyone, today we're introducing the N2600 series high-precision source meter. N2600 series is a domestic digital source meter that combines high-precision sourcing and measurement. It integrates the functions of 5 instruments, voltage source, current source, IV measurement, into one. The product includes a built-in constant current source, constant voltage source, resistance measurement, sweep mode, signal generator, synchronous trigger, function calculator, and other software functions. N2600 series has a measurement range covering from 1000 volts to 1 microvolt, 10 amps to 10 picoamps, and 200 megaamps to 10 microamp. The maximum pulse output current can reach 10 amps, with a measurement resolution of 6.5 digits and a basic accuracy of 100 microvolts, 600 picoamps, and 300 microamp. The front panel includes a power switch, a 4.3-inch HD screen, function keys, input-output connector, numeric keys, and a knob, providing a simple and intuitive interface for easy operation. The rear panel offers a variety of communication control interfaces, including standard RS-232, LAN, digital I/O, and trigger ports, supporting remote programming control by users. CV mode, press the menu key and select CV to access the interface. In the measure area, set the current range to 100 microamps and the current limit to 105 microamps. In the source area, set the voltage output range to 20 volts and the constant voltage output parameter to 15 volts. Press the on-off key to view the measured voltage value of 15 volts on the bench. You can also press the V-source key to quickly switch to the constant voltage interface. CC mode, press the menu key and select CC to access the interface. In the measure area, set the voltage range to 200 mV and the voltage limit to 210 mV. In the source area, set the current range to 100 microamps and the current output parameter to 50 microamps. Press the on-off key to view the output current value of 50 microamps on the bench. You can also press the I-source key to quickly switch to the constant current interface. Current measurement. First, connect the power supply and set the output to 10 volts and 0.5 amps. Open the V-source mode on the N2600. Set the current measurement range to 1 amp, the current limit to 1 amp, the voltage range to 20 volts, and the source voltage output value to 0 volts. Press the on-off and observe that the measured current value on the source meter is 0.5 amps. Voltage measurement. Open the I-source mode on the N2600. Set the voltage measurement range to 20 volts, the voltage limit to 20 volts, the current range to 1 amp, and the source current output value to 0 amps. Press the on-off and observe that the measured voltage value on the source meter is 10 volts. Press the menu key and select Signal to access the interface. Set shape to waveform. Frequency to 1000 Hz. Duty to 50%. Ample range to 2 volts and ample to 2 volts. Press menu again. Select trigger layer and set the count to 2500. Press ESC to return to the menu. Enter CV mode, and the screen will display source voltage pulse in square wave pulse mode. Press the on-off and observe the square wave signal captured by the oscilloscope. External trigger. Press the menu key, select Signal to access the interface. Set shape to waveform. Frequency to 1000 Hz. Duty to 50%. Ample range to 2 volts and ample to 2 volts. Press ESC to return to the menu. Find a RM layer. Set count to 0 indicating continuous triggering. Change source event to click. Set in line to trigger line 1. Press ESC to return to the menu. Enter CV mode. Press on-off key to start the signal generator for triggering. And observe the square wave waveform captured by the oscilloscope. Click Online to enter the main interface of the software. The main interface mainly includes menu, real-time data and curve area, function configuration area, control panel, and log area. Output voltage. Select measurement mode as voltage offset. Set voltage output range to 20 volts. Current limit range to 100 microamps. Output voltage to 15 volts. Output current limit to 0.1 milliamps. And measurement count to 0 indicating continuous output. Click Start and the software will display an output voltage of 15 volts. Output current. Select measurement mode as current offset. Set current output range to 100 microamps. Voltage limit range to 200 millivolts. Output current to 0.05 milliamps. Output voltage limit to 0.2 volts. And measurement count to 0. Connect the source meter test leads and click Start. The software will display an output current of 0.05 milliamps. Click Stop and view the data through the data recording function. Voltage measurement. First, connect the power supply and set the output to 10 volts and 0.5 amps. Select measurement mode as current offset. Set current output range to 100 microamps. Voltage limit range to 20 volts. Output current to 0 amps. And output voltage limit to 20 volts. Set measurement count to 0. Disable device cache. Click Start, and the software will display a measured voltage of 10 volts. Current measurement. Select measurement mode as voltage offset. Set voltage output range to 2 volts. Current limit range to 1 amp. Output voltage to 0 volts. And output current limit to 1000 milliamps. Set measurement count to 0. Click Start, and the software will display a measured current of 500 milliamps.